Are you tired of clicking through Jira menus trying to log time only to find the option hidden? Here is exactly how to enable and use it. By the end of this tutorial, you will go from frustrated and lost to confidently logging time on any task in under a minute. First, we will enable the time tracking field in your project settings, then log time on any task. Let us start. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Jira account. Just head over to your Jira instance and get logged in. This part is straightforward. Now, from the left side panel, go ahead and open the Jira project that contains the task you want to log time for. Just click on your project name. Once you are inside your project, click on the specific task where you want to enter your time log. Just find that issue and open it up. All right, this next part is where a lot of people get stuck. Look at the right side panel of that task. You will see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your project settings. From that settings menu, click on Manage Fields. This takes you to the area where you control what information shows up on your tasks. Now pay attention to this one. On the right side of the screen, you will see a list of available fields. Find the one called Time Tracking. Click and drag that time tracking field over to the left side into the list of fields that are currently shown on your tasks. I have tested this myself, and dragging it into the right spot is the key to making it appear. Once you have it in place, click on Save Changes. This will lock in that change and add time tracking to your task view. So now that we have got that set up, let us go back to your task. You can go back to your task now, and you should see the time tracking field has appeared on the right side panel. See, it is right there now. Click on that time tracking section. It might say no time logged or just show 0 hours. Then click on No Time Logged to open up the logging form. Now, here is where you actually enter your time. In the Time Spent field, type in how long you worked. For example, you could type in 1 hour or 30 minutes. Jira is smart about this, so it understands formats like 2 hours or 45 minutes. Finally, click on Save. And just like that, your time is logged. It shows up on the task immediately. And there you go. From feeling like the option was hidden to logging time in seconds. Now you can track your work without the frustration. If this helped, give the video a like. Thanks for watching.